If you want to back up data with USB device on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we need to connect our USB storage to the phone. If you have USB-A flash drive, then you will need to use an adapter that allows you to connect the flash drive to the adapter and then the adapter to the phone. And once we are connected, you want to go to settings. In the settings, scroll down until you find accounts and backup and then choose it. And now over here we should be able to find external storage transfer. So let's select it. Then we can choose where we want to back up to. So I'm gonna select USB storage. And we are now creating, first we are searching for data to back up. So let's wait for that. There we go. After that we have the option to select what we want to transfer. We can also go to custom. And we can also see what cannot be transferred. First I'm gonna go to custom. And here we can select whatever we want to transfer. So let's say I want to back up images and videos. Why not? And then we can press backup. There we go. We also have the information that data backed up and encrypted using your Samsung account. So let's press OK. And now we are transferring files, creating the backup to our USB storage. And as you probably noticed, if you go back to the same setting again, after you created the backup, you have the option to restore it as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!